There we go. Now I got the chat working. I have recently changed the channel name from Bo to Ivan Skodje. And the reason I did that is to keep it consistent, because all my other social media is at Ivan Skodje, and at Ivan Skodje on both Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. So I'm trying to put things together, basically here. Let's open up the project and see what we are supposed to do today. Since last time I streamed, I have done some small improvements on the weapon pickup system. Let's see here. Do tasks, create simple inventory system. Yeah, that's what I've been working on a little bit when I had some time this weekend. Let's see what we got. I have to confirm that I'm actually live now before I really begin. Yeah, I'm live. Good. Good. Hello, Omicron666_live. Hello. And welcome. There we go. Let's see. Create a simple weapon inventory system. Well, it won't be really, I guess. Yeah. Let's see here. Where have I put it? I think I added that actually in the player itself. Now, for now, I'm in a way, I'm kind of just prototyping this game. And once everything is up and running, I will begin cleaning it up, making it, you know, make the code good, basically, before I create a tutorial out of this. And I suspect I'm going to dumb this down a bit, because a lot of this is very, you know, unnecessary, I guess. Let's see the player scene. Let's see here in the player script here. What have I changed since the last time? I believe it's this part right here. Yeah, this is a lot cleaner than it was in the last video. Now, the way I'm just doing it, I'm just changing the current weapon reference, and that is the node itself, or rather the weapon we attach to it. So I just changed the current weapon node to the current, or rather the weapon node we have selected to the current, which can be either the roof turret or the missile launcher at this point. Let's just try it out, actually. Let's see if I can get this. Let's see if it still works. I mean, I hope it does. Okay, we have picked up the missiles, the rocket, or rather the missile launcher, and that works fine. So if I now pick up this one, I believe I should drop the other one. Yeah, and now I have the roof turret, because I've set the maximum inventory limit to 1. So when I pick up a new weapon, well, we're gonna change it. And the way this works is we have a small delay on pickup. I'm just dropping it on top of myself. I'm not actually trying to drop it behind me or anything. I just drop it on the ground. Let's see here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to see if I can add the functionality to actually change the weapon while you have both of them. Shouldn't be a problem. I hope. Max weapon count, where is that? Ah, there it is. Oh, really? Something is wrong with Godot. I don't know what it is. Have I not restarted since the last time? Did I? I think I did. I'm gonna have to Google this. Yeah. Or is this a Godot thing? Hold on. It's a Godot thing. That's not good. That is a a nuisance. Let me take a look at the editor settings. I am 99% sure I haven't changed anything. So I don't know why it would just do this on this project. Let me try opening a new project. I just want to test it out and see if it's just on this project. It may be, I don't know. I have no idea. Let's see. Let's just open the signals tutorial I worked on last night. Let's see. Yeah, the problem is in Godot apparently. Let me try opening up Godot 3.0 just to test it. I don't know why it would do that. It's weird. Thank you for following. Yaoiyu. Yuayo. I apologize. I killed that name. I'm looking for my memory. Where did it go? Godot 3.0. Let's see where I put that. Hey. Thank you for following Omicron666_live. At least I'm pretty sure I pronounced that name right. Godot. I'm trying to find Godot 3.0. I just can't. There it is. Let me just drag it here. Let me rename this to Godot 3.0. Remove. Actually, let's keep that. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see if it works. Because I'm worried about this. You may not think... Oh, welcome, Seb. How is your project going? Your projects are way more, amazing. You should make your own videos explaining tile-based, generation. What is this? Oh yeah, this is my test project. Let's open that one. UIO. Oh jeez. Let's move this way. Hey, go in. Okay, that's not good. Yeah, Godot 3.0, by the way, it's completely... It's not available. It shouldn't even be used. But it will be at some point. Oh no. Let's see. Oh my god! It seems to be, I don't know. I have no idea what's causing this. Let's open up a notepad here, just to see if there's... Blah, blah, blah. Test. Kick. Some. Why does Godot do this to me? Huh. I'm stumped. Windows for all the problems. Yeah, Windows is a problem. I mean, it's not that Windows is bad. It works fine, and the problem with Windows is it's not free. I mean, not free as in cost free, but in software free. Oh jeez. Let's see. Let's comment on some. Let's comment some comments. Thank you for your feedback. I am working on slowly improving audio quality. Glad you could find some use? No. Thank you. Let's keep it simple. Smiley face. Okie dokie. Let's close to that. And let's get back to the issue at hand here. Oh. Is there something wrong with my keyboard, perhaps? No. Look at this! I can't select text anymore. Okay, let's just adapt. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Now the main reason for using Windows, if you ignore that it works and it's not bad in functionality itself, is that everyone develops for Windows. They don't develop for cross-platform or Linux and I mean, who cares about Apple? But Linux and Windows, it's not cross-platform. No offense if you are in fruit. Let's see here. Let's close this. This was my test project. So, max weapon count. Let me increase that to 3, and that's what we intend to have. Now, we won't have 3 weapons yet, because we haven't created those 3 weapons, but right now I'm trying to add the functionality to change those weapons, or change between them. Is that bullet on top or below? I don't know if it's below or not. I think it's below, and that's not good. I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna add a note somewhere. Testing, yeah. Let's put it back to doing here. This is why I put thing into testing, because there may be things we haven't thought of, or something you have to improve later. So let's name this make it appear on top of the vehicle when it shoots. What else? Effects. I would like to add that make effects. I mean, it doesn't really matter. That's good. That's not important. Whew. Focus. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. I need to print out the paper and hang it somewhere I can see it at all times. Keep it simple. Let's see here if I can actually pick it up. Yes, I can. Let's see. What do I shoot with now by default? Good, good, because we want to keep the current weapon when picking up, unless you are placing the weapon. So if I reach my maximum weapon count and then pick up another weapon, we're gonna replace the weapon you have currently selected. So let's try to change this and see. Oh, no. Here. Ah, here we go. I did implement it. I apparently forgot. Let's see. So I can change this. Now, the only thing that I'm not too happy about is the controller to change it. But I will fix that, well, you know, at the end, I guess. Currently, right now, I'm pressing the B button to change the weapon we're using. And I press the left button and right button to change target that is within range, so I can easily change to any target using the roof turret, because you can't really change target for on the missile here, because it doesn't aim, it's just forward. So that'll be cool. That's very cool. But speaking of Windows and Linux, I'm not against Windows. In the same way, I'm not against Apple. I just don't like it much. Now, Apple is... I want to say worse than Windows, in the sense of freedom to do what you want with your product. Actually, Apple is horrible about that. With that. Okay, cool. We got that working. And I believe the reason for that was Windows. Was it Windows? I think Windows stole something from Apple during the before Apple changed their policy, not allowing anyone to open their computer. But that's just, I heard that secondhand, so I could be wrong. So let's see. I think I got this working now. The simple inventory system. Hold on. Now I need to add another weapon. That's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add mines. Yeah, let's add mines. Why not? That should be easy enough. So missiles. So I may be done with this, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna leave it in doing. I think. Let's put it back to task. And let us. I understand what you mean with anti-company and corporations evil. And I believe the reason is that because, realistically speaking, the purpose of a corporation is to earn money. That may not be the purpose of the individuals in that corporation, but that's the purpose of corporations and businesses. It's to earn money, and it's also well, how do I say this? There are unwritten rules for when, for example, applying for a job. And that is to never ask about your salary or talk about the salary. It's taboo. Ooh. Because the bosses or whomever you're having an interview with or taking the interview with is might think that you're only in it for the money. But I mean, it would be silly to think otherwise. I mean, there are exceptions, especially in game development and in game development business. If I could get, well, I'm not gonna, screw it, I'm not gonna talk about myself. I'm not gonna do that. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought, damn it. I keep doing that. Especially when I try to code at the same time while talking about a topic and pay attention to chat. Interview, money, yeah. But obviously everyone... money is important, even though you don't want to say it. The best you can hope for is to get a job you enjoy, really enjoy. And earn a living doing it. I'm just trying to think of... I guess I can... Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem to handle. I'll just duplicate the missile, I think. Let's open this in our file manager here. I'm definitely going to reorganize the folder structure before I start beginning tutorials. And that in itself is gonna be a ginormous task in itself, to actually split up videos where I'm gonna create this entire project all over again. But that's also a good opportunity for me, I mean, selfish, to learn, to pick this project apart, to completely and understand it, more or less. One of the reasons that's great about making tutorials, I learned way more myself by planning ahead to really learn about a node. I'll copy that. I'm gonna name that mines. Mines, that's fine. Or it's a mine, so it should be mine. Speaking of corporations and money and stuff, I can imagine if we ever get to the point. Welcome, Aniki Zero. Hello from Eagle Freedom Land. Well, that excludes a lot of countries. Eagle. Australia, does they have eagles? Can I link to your Trello? Of course I can do that. Thank you for reminding me to do that. I try to do that at the beginning of the stream so people have that link. It's ironic that America is like the land of freedom. And the reason I do this is because it's absolutely false. No offense. Compared to other countries. America is a very relatively low rank than a lot of other European countries that are more free, I guess you can call it. And then I'm talking about healthcare, non-profit hospitals, non-profit prisons. I guess we don't need anything else. The mine is the mine. There is no... actually, no. The mine... I imagine a box behind the car or something. Like a box-looking thing. So, mine dispenser? Mine dispenser. Yes, let's name it that. That's a good idea. But America. Yeah, I love America. I mean... It's weird to say that. I've been there once, but I have a love-hate relationship with America. I love it, but I hate the way they run things. Okay, I don't want to say hate, that sounds too strong. I dislike it. I don't agree with the majority of it. Oh, welcome Arbolt! Thank you for following! By saying this, I'm probably never gonna get the entrance to America again. Dispenser, yeah. Ooh. Let's see. So we have the Mine. The mine will be the item you drop. So all we're gonna do is just gonna instance it. Thank you for sharing the Facebook. No, I mean I always do that, or I think I do. I'm pretty sure I always share that. I hope I do. Trump is going. Yeah. Oh boy. Mine. Assets. I swear, I should change the appearance of this. Shooting dildos with a red tip on it. Let's find Krita here. And let's create a mine and a mine dispenser. Where's my drawing thing? There it is. Right in front of me. Oh yeah, I have followed... Lately I've been watching GD Quest's Krita videos. Because I try to learn more about Krita. I mean, I can use it for my purpose. And that's basically to make thumbnails and kind of draw and stuff. But there's so much more to Krita. Especially if you have a tablet. And that's something I try to, well, learn. Or get the hang of, or at least to familiarize myself with what I can do in Krita. Where did I put the unsorted resources? Welcome, Arts Macau, and thank you for following. Arts Macau. I hope I said that right. Sounds like a bird species. I don't know. Well, yeah, I envy him. He has a good voice for tutorials. And I mean, I know I speed up. If you ignore that, even yeah, he has the voice basically. Not everyone has that. I think it's here. Where did I put it? Did I actually create it in the root of the project? Did I have it here somewhere? Patreon. I don't think I'm gonna set up a Patreon. I don't know why, but I feel it feels dirty to set up Patrons. I don't know. I don't know. Luckily, I don't need a Patreon. I mean, yeah, I'm lucky that I don't. Marcus Santos. Macau is near Hong Kong. I want to travel to Asia again. Specifically, I would like to visit like the capitals of certain countries, like China, Hong Kong, Japan, Tokyo, Thailand. Not Thailand. Vietnam. What's the name of that city? I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah, the only. Perhaps when I get better, I'll consider creating a Patreon. If not for the purpose of allowing me to do this full-time. Because I wouldn't mind doing this full-time. Making tutorials, working with Godot, learning. I mean, I learn a lot. And which is one of the reasons I love tutoring. Because I don't know, it's hard to explain. You have to do it yourself. I can't find... Ah, there it is. Of course, it's in the parent folder here. This is when I try to talk and do stuff. It just won't happen. I think it's in the full... Here? Everything created. Saigon. Bangkok. Saigon. Bangkok? That's Thailand, I think. I don't know Saigon. Yeah, I appreciate that. I mean, all I can ask is that you subscribe and comment on my videos so I get motivated to make more. So I imagine a mine dispenser on the back here. And I guess I can reuse that same dispenser type to make oil slicks. Now last stream, one of you, I don't remember who exactly, came up with the suggestion of making oil slicks. Where did I write it though? Weapons? Here, oil slick. Saigon is Vietnam? Really? No. No way. Really? Hanoi, not Saigon. I knew it. Hanoi was the one name I was thinking of. Saigon. French colony. Oh, I guess it's a different name of Hanoi, maybe. I don't know. So let's begin the drawing here. And the reason I'm drawing on top of here is I have a size reference. Let me just copy the car instead, actually. Excuse me. Let's copy the car appearance. Do that twice. Copy. New project. There we go. And let's increase the canvas so I can have some room for my creativity and ego. My ego requires a lot of room. Let's do that. Let's create a new layer. And if you hear sounds, I apologize. My window's open because it's really warm in here. Okay, let's see. Go. I may have to move the microphone a little bit. That's one thing I'm on my wish list, and that's a different stand that allows me to actually kind of move it. Because now it's kind of bad. Let's see here. That's better. Okay, that's good. So now my voice is probably far away. Yeah, I'm using a tablet. I'm not an artist, but it was definitely worth investing in. I have no regrets. Especially as the reason I bought it to begin with was to write notes in college, because I went on taking computer science classes. So it felt fitting because I'm always on a computer. Let's make it white. There we go. Let's do some drawing. Okay, that's not what I want. Just do that. I apologize if my microphone isn't recognizing that I'm talking right now because I'm moving far away, and I have a an auto duck going on in the background that allows me to, or rather allows you to hear the music when I'm not talking. I imagine a circle thing. Now the mine itself should probably be about this size. Yeah, otherwise you won't see it. So if the dispenser is about the same size... Now we don't have to show the entire thing, it can be only this big or something. That's good. That's real good. I mean, you don't have to do it more fancy, I think. This should be fine. And then just add some color on it. Let's see here. I imagine brownish, maybe. Yeah, that's a good color. Even though I can't draw good, I can draw consistent, which can give the illusion that it looks kind of good together. Maybe here, yeah, here. I think it's fine, probably. Let's see. Let's put it together and see if we can make it look okay. Well, that's not too bad, actually. The reason it's gray is because the car has a shadow, so it's not gonna look like that when we play the game. See, when I scale up UI elements, texts get blurry. Do you have to import font to solve this? Scale? Don't scale text. Use a dynamic font, I think it's called. I assume you're talking about Godot here, by the way. I don't have any labels to show you right now. Let me just add one. But for that, you actually need to add your own font. And you can create a new font by going here, select a dynamic font. Don't use bitmap. Because, yeah, oh, yeah, Aniki has already answered. Yeah, I should probably read all the chats before I do anything. But it's always better to reduce a size than to increase the size. That's just a general rule. Let's see here. Let me go back here. Yeah, let's just keep this. This is fine. That's the mine dispenser. And now let's create the mine. Did I? Ah, here it is. Yeah, kind of looks like a wheel. Scaling buttons. Why do you scale buttons? I mean, if you can avoid it, it's better to avoid it. You can always make it stretch with size of your screen, the entire thing, I guess. Yeah, it doesn't have to be that accurate. Yeah, that's fine. And let's add some colors. So I imagine what colors are mines in a way? Black, dark black-ish. I'm thinking cartoon mines, by the way, not realistic mine. I'm planning a video for tomorrow, but I'm not sure what to talk about tomorrow or what to make tomorrow. I have a list, so I'll just pick from the list if I'm not inspired to do anything else. I'm just asking if there are any ideas. That's not too bad. It looks actually, I don't like it. It's too dark. Let's change the color. Bear, maybe? Yeah, I like that little bear. It makes it a little visible. Let's make it a little shadow or something, I don't know. Trying things out. Trying to get the illusion of being a little rounded. Maybe. If I can do this correctly. Looks hard. Looks horrible. Maybe I have to do it this way. Can I rotate this? I rotate. It should be short, like, here we go. Oh no! What am I doing? Help! Okay, I can rotate this way, but how do I? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, cool. There's liver. I take that back. That wasn't very long. I don't know. Maybe I just make it round all the way. I don't know. Now this isn't really important at all. I'm just trying to make some, make it look a little consistent with everything else that we make here. I do notice the black is too big. Expand on one of Nathan's tutorials. He's touching on things, but we're trying to push out 30 videos plus everything from the Kickstarter. I feel his YouTube videos... Oh yeah, you mean like going more in depth about what he's talking about. I agree with that. I did notice his videos pretty short. However, they're pretty concise as well. It's a good introduction to every topic. Gets you started, which is very important, especially for beginners. Let's see here. I'm spending way too much time on this here. Let me just reduce the size of this What's that one? That one? There. Let's reduce the size a little bit here. Let's go up a little bit. Yeah, it should be about the same size. If anything, this is definitely my art style. As of now. Is there any videos in particular you're thinking about when you mention about expanding what he's talking about? Or was that just a general idea? I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Is it? Is it fine? Yeah, it's fine. Is it? Perhaps add some glow or light. Ah, screw it. It's fine. Let's just group those together. Name this a mine. Mine dispenser. Jeez. I keep Godot naming convention. It's snake case here. There we go. Let me just save it. Actually, duplicate, merge, and shrink the current layer and remove that. Where did I put the folder though? I keep losing it. I need this. Yeah, this is the path I want. This will be the mine and dispenser. Okay, let's get the mine first. 5 by. Ooh, interesting. The width is exactly the same, about height and width. The width and height is the same. Do you know if Godot accepts SVG? I have no idea. I do know it. I believe. Oh, hold on. I think it does accept vector stuff. I don't know if that's some vector stuff. I'm not familiar with the those extensions. I don't know. Just try it and you'll find out. I'll put it on desktop for now. This will be the mine.png. Let's that. Let's duplicate the dispenser. Merge, copy. File new, and let's paste it in there. There we go. Mine dispenser.png. Grid movement. Are you talking about players? Like a player is stuck to a grid, like old school games. Sokuban, what is that? Once you have grid movement, you can check 2 tiles in the direction a player wants to move, and you have most of what's needed for Sokuban. I'm not sure what you mean about Sokuban. What is that? What is that? Sokuban. Oh, okay. Sokuban is a type of transport puzzle in which the player pushes boxes. Oh yeah, I have already made this. And it's open source. Albeit that was made during a 9-day game jam. So it's not refined in any way. Let's see here, github.com. I think I have it here somewhere. Here we go. No, oops, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. I clicked the wrong one. I thought it was that one, but it's not. Other one. Castle Balloony. It works the same way. You move steps and you can push blocks. The blocks can go under the water and stuff. Basically, everything here should be what you need to get started. Although it might be a bit messy to understand what's going on here. But hopefully, the folder structure is understandable enough. So I guess if you look at the player itself, you may find some information. Oh my god. Yeah, you can't read the scene file. I mean, you can, but it's not very human friendly. Even though it's readable. Excuse me. Yeah. As you can see, I packed everything in the player during the game jam. There are a lot of things here that would be better to split up into something completely separate. So pre-move is what I do before I move. Let me check if we can do that and stuff like that. But you're more than welcome to take a look at that, or even fork it and do whatever you want, because I do believe it's... did I add it under MIT or Creative? Or something else? Yeah, it's a GPL v3. So you can still use it and, you know, just give credit to something, I think. Oh. Mines, missiles, yeah. Checklist, artwork. Actually, let's not call it artwork, let's name it placeholders. Functionality. Mine scene. Mine dispenser scene. Okay, so placeholder, done. Let's close that. No, I don't want... Did I save it though? I hope I did. Yeah, I did. Let's go back into our project. So we have entities, weapons, mine dispenser, and here we have assets. I'm gonna paste. Remove that. Cut that, and let's add in the last one here. Okay. Okay, we're good to go. This we can now implement the functionality of that. Let me skip ahead a few tracks. There we go, that's Luber. Some different background music. And if you are watching this on YouTube, know that I am on Twitch livestreaming. However, you also get this on YouTube. And the reason I mention that is because you can communicate if you are on Twitch. But I do this on YouTube as well, so we can keep the records of the videos. So if people ever want to browse through my old horrible videos, they can do that. So let's open up our scene that I just copied from the missiles. The weapons, mine dispenser, and let's open that. Now obviously this is completely wrong. We don't want that image, so let's change it. Where did I go? Assets, of course. Yeah, it's fine. So bullet spawn will be the mine drop-off point, I guess. So, like here maybe? Yeah, it should be fine. And then let's rename the missile launcher to the mine dispenser, so it matches the scene name. Oh yeah, I should use that bid feature. I forget to use that. After creating that tip, I realized it would be better to actually use polls or votes. Yeah, polls. Because then everyone can have a say. Because using bid is kind of selfish, I guess. So if, for example, one viewer has been online for a long time and has all the points in the world, he can just bid, you know, 9,000, and then he instantly gets what he wants. Because, well, new people won't have that much. But maybe later in the future I'll be able to create something using points. Or perhaps I can make voting cost points. So dedicated viewers can have a say. I don't know. It's kind of game theory-ish, this point system. So let's see here. Generic weapon. I don't think this will be correct for this type of weapon. Let me take a look at that script here. Really? Huh. No, Victorial. Victorial? You could ask if they have made anything for 3.0. Move the dictionary. What did I use this for? I mean, nothing. So let's remove that. Or am I? Hold on. I might be using this. No, I'm not. I'm not. So how does this work? We have a shot, and we add bullets. However, this will be completely different. So I cannot use the generic weapons. I'm gonna have to create one for the mine itself. I'm gonna copy this anyhow, and then edit it from the other script. So let me find the mine dispenser. Open this. And I can just replace all this. Like, I have to keep this though. And this weapon active, I'm not gonna use that because the way I change the system, we don't need to. Why do I have this here? This doesn't seem needed. Ah, whatever. Let me just replace all except that one. David Bowie game. What would that be? Max bullets. I don't think I'm gonna use this system for this. Yeah, no, there is no point because it's gonna be in the world until something runs over it. Yeah, so we don't need that. We don't need to store that in memory. Weapon ID. What did I use that for? Yes, in order to identify which weapon I'm using. However, I changed the system, so I may not need that, do I? I'm gonna leave it there, just in case. Let's remove this. Yeah, this we have to keep. Oops, let's remove that as well. Bullet delay. Now that's gonna be significantly higher on the mine dispenser. I guess I'll set the default to 2 seconds. So you don't accidentally place more than one mine. But still giving enough time to create multiple mines after each other. It's firing. Yeah, we are not gonna do this anymore, because I fixed that. Now the firing is done by the player itself, and if you can't fire due to the delay, well, there's nothing's gonna happen. Bullets added. We are not gonna do that as well. We're not gonna add any bullet, we're not gonna instance any bullet, we're gonna do it only when we shoot and the delay is ready. Although I definitely need to make a limit on these mines. Although, I don't know. We'll see what I get time for. Hold on, left barrel? On generics? Left barrel. I do have this here. Why? It's not used anymore, so let's remove that. This we don't need either, because we're not gonna move the mines. Do we even need this phase process now? Yeah, we do. Delay, of course. Yeah, we do it. Alright, wait. Uh-oh. I'm in the wrong script. Undo. I removed that one. Okay, save. Let's leave that script and let's go to the mine. Where did it go? I don't see it. Missile launcher. Oh no! God damn it. Okay, copy. Undo everything. Everything. Absolutely everything here. Save. Let's create a new script. Clear. Load. I believe it should be... yeah, there it is. That was a close call. Now, it wouldn't be the end of the world, it would be annoying, but we did save. Hold on. Time shot equals bull delay. Time shot. That's a bad name, I think. Yeah, why did I name it time shot? Increment all the time. All the time. Time shot is greater than bull delay. Reset to 0. I'm convinced there's a better way of doing this. Prevented looping from adding on top of this, on top of this, on top of this. Although this does delay it a little bit. But that shouldn't matter. The time shot is greater. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. Hold on. As long as it's less or equal. There we go. Where the... yeah, I have it here. Time shot. We're gonna keep this, we're gonna keep this. We don't need this. Don't need this, don't need that. Bullet. Yeah, I don't need any of these. All I have to do is instance the mine and place it. So, instance mine. Place on ground. On spawn. Don't need this. This we do need. This we don't. Do we need this? No, we don't. Drop weapon. Do we need this? Yes, we do. And there is where we need the ID. Reconstruct. That's something I had to add manually to prevent the Q3 from the mine, the weapon itself, before the belonging bullets are out of range, because the bullets depend on the parent. But I don't need this here. Yeah, I don't at all. Let's see here. Placeable, bullets, ammunition. What should I name this? It's not a bullet. Weapon scene? No. The weapon is the dispenser, the mine dispenser. That's a tool. That's what shoots the bullets. It's like saying the weapon is the bullet. It's the gun. That's the weapon. Ammunition, ammo. This is definitely not important. Yet I spend time on this. Let's just leave it alone. My instance equals mine dot instance. Gonna create a new instance of that. Do we need to do anything to set this up? No, we don't. We do have a set number of ammunition. You know what, let's do that. I think we can do this. Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem with this. Fixed number of ammo. So let's say the ammo is equal to 20. Let's make it low so I can test it out properly. Shoot. Yeah, if ammo is greater than 0, then we can do this. Yeah, because if the ammo... Wait, what's happening? What's most likely to happen? If you think about performance. Ammo count is greater than 0. That's most likely, yeah. Because that's true more than it's not. Yeah, actually, we don't have to do that. Because if we're out of ammo, you know what's gonna happen? The weapon is gonna drop off. It's gonna poof into thin air, because it's gone. So let's do that. Okay, we shot now. Do we have... blow, actually. If our ammo count is now less than or equal to 0, it should never be less, but, you know, just in case, then we are going to remove ourselves. So Q3. That's all we need to do. I think. Hold on. Wait. No. Because the mine dispenser is a... No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Because if this is the current weapon and we just remove ourselves, we haven't informed the player that the current weapon is now unavailable and gone. So I guess then I should create a signal maybe. To inform us that we're gone. We're no longer here. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like that and see to do. Inform player that we are gone. This is mine. Place on ground. How did I place the bullets? Actually, I can do the same logic as this. That should be fine. Yeah. This should work now. Let's see here. Bullet delay. The bullet delay can only be between 0 and 10 seconds. And you set them from within the editor. The ID though. I believe that's set from the player. No? Where's that set from again? I guess I can make the text a little bigger if it's too small. Actually, it's a little too big. A little bit. There you go. So let's select the dispenser. Let's select the mine scene. So we have done that. Bullet delay is going to be too. Actually, there. Save. I believe we can now begin with the mine scene and set that up. Yeah. Let's open the mine scene. There we go. Apparently it doesn't have any scripts, which is odd. Why? Because we're using the generic bullet. And we cannot do that, because this is not a bullet, this is a mine. It's a placeable. Placeable? Placeable. How much damage did the mine give? 80? 70? 70. How fast should the mine go? Actually, we're gonna remove the script. This won't matter. Let's clear that. Clear. Why is this here? Interesting. That's not supposed to happen. Screw it. portrait. Mobile, okay, well that then there's not much I can do to make this more readable. Okay, let's create a script here. Right click, attach script. That's fine. I can't wait for Godot 3.0. I've been playing around with it a little bit, and I love the I guess the word would be cleanliness. I'm also looking forward to trying out the visual scripting. What do I need? I need damage. Let me open up the board again. Let me copy some of this. We don't need that. Do we need a parent? We may. I don't think we do we? Parent. What is the parent used for here? Disable it. Okay, it's to inform the parent that we are gone from memory, or that we are supposed to be disabled and put into the inactive array. So we don't need any of this except the damage. That should be easy to implement. In fact, it's very, very easy to implement, so let's do that. Yay! Damage. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up a let's remove that. Let's change the sprite so it actually looks like a mine. Trigger is going to be a bit different. It's going to be... let's make a circle. Nah, screw it. We don't need that. Why make a circle when you can have a square one? I'm going to make it a little smaller though. Because there's nothing worse than getting hit when it looks like you aren't hit in games. And I guess it's a rule of thumb that if, for example, you're making a pickup, you make the collision box... Uh-oh, did I scale it? That's not good. Is to make the collision box bigger than the object itself, if it's a positive pickup. If it's a negative one, you make it a little smaller than what it really is. And this is all for about player experience. I think this is fine. Yeah, that's fine. X-ray eyes. What? Let's set up a signal on body enter. Hold on. Yeah, it should be fine. So this, if groups body.get groups. If the groups is a player, or has a player rather, this is just an array. If it does have a player, well, boom, goes the dynamite. That's the effect part. Then we apply damage to player. That's first message. Remove self when the animation is complete, if any. So I'm just gonna queue 3 here. Actually, I'm gonna print some. Boom! Effect. I don't need this start at all, do I? Nah, I don't. Easy. I think that's all there is to it, actually. Let's try it out and see if it works. I haven't made a pickup for it yet, though. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta make a pickup for it. Damn, let's open the Krita again. these bigger by any chance? Maybe I did. All I want is the size of this. There we go. Entities, weapons. Mine dispenser. I wonder if I should use this image. Or if I should use the mine itself. I think I should use the mine itself, yeah. Because that's more descriptive of what this is. This is a mine. There we go. All I have to do is add some stroke to it. A white stroke. Normal. Make sure it's white. Use a size 8, 9 maybe? Let's try 6. Yeah, that's a good size. Where's the... Okay. That's interesting. It's very interesting. Okay. Let's save that as the mine dispenser sticker. Even though it's just a mine with the image of. So let's place that in a new folder. Pickups, weapons, and here we're gonna create a new one. If I can get back to the folder here. There it is. There. Yeah, it's kind of pointless to have an assets folder because there's nothing else here. I'm gonna make sure to fix that in the future. Did I just paste this? There we go. Okay, let's create the pickup. Open scene, entities, pickup, open pickup. There we go. Now, in order for this to work, we need to add a new one. This will be the mine dispenser 012. So elif weapon is equal to 2. We're gonna do the same thing as above, except a different path, different weapon, different everything. Hold on, I can take that out. Yeah, it should be fine. And the reason I do it this way without using enums because I'm using a tool. A tool is not very friendly with globals and such. Also, this is a, I guess you can call it a in-between script, because the order of this may be different than the IDs of the weapon themselves. Perhaps it's just humanity that has weak eyes. Perhaps once we get the technology, the biotechnology? Biotechnology? Yeah, I don't know if that's actually a proper name. We'll be able to grow new eyes, or inject eye serum to improve our eyesight. Yeah, so here we need to check if value is equal to weapon, and the value is when you set the weapon, and this is done, well, it can be done remotely if you have to spawn a weapon as a drop or something. But I'm definitely looking into making this better, finding a better way of doing this. So mine underscore dispenser, I have to create this, it's not created yet. So temp equals 2. That should be all we need. Copy this for now. Let's open up the global weapon. Weapon, yeah. There it is. Let's add that in here. And if you don't use a variable name on a script, you can use the script name directly and then just use dot this, that, or this, which is kind of cool. Which is how I use a global enum. Where did I pick up? There we go. Like so. Now the trick with tool is you have to actually get the node. So here I'm kind of cheating. I'm just getting the global node manually in the script, even though you don't have to do this when you actually play this, or if you don't use tool. Elif weapon equals 2 weapon ID equals weapon mine dispenser. Okay, I think this should work now. Hold on, I need to add it somewhere. Let's go to the player. I think I have to do it here, yeah. Yes, here we go. So this is the last part. So elif y weapon underscore ID is equal to weapon dot mine dispenser. So let's just copy this again. Ah, that was weird. I think. Weapon ID. Weapon append weapon instance. Missile launcher. No, that's the wrong one. Where did this come from? Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's a node for the that we have to create here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's create a new node. Add child node. This will be position 2D. In hindsight, I should probably have made a folder to put it in, instead of just adding it directly as a child of player. So let's name this mine dispenser pass. And let's move it down. Where did it go? There we go. I guess about maybe a little left. Maybe like so. Let's see. Ivan, what other engines you use and why you also come to Godot? I began learning Unity. That's the first engine. Well, no, wait. But I guess it's truth. However, I didn't use Unity or any engine at all until college. That's where I actually began creating my own engine. Well, I mean engine. You create your own, use a library, such as XNA, I think. It's an old Microsoft library for making games. And then you create your own everything. And that's basically what I began with. And then I moved on to Unity. Wait, what? Slacks, you were timed out for using colored text. Who the hell? What? Why are you doing that, Hybobot? I gotta check this, because this is weird. Why would you do that? Where the hell is Hybobot? I can't even find it, the bot. Give me a second here. Color text. Oh, here we go. Color settings. Apparently there's color settings here. Exclude regulars. Exclude subscribers. Exclude... What? Apparently the bot don't think you're a regular. Me? Oh. Okay. Let me just turn off that. Moderate color is now off, I think. Yeah, it should work now. Unless there is a apply button that I missed there. Oh no, yeah, oh, that's not what I meant. I didn't mean the name of the Thai bubble bot. Yeah, that's because I changed my channel name. But now I disabled, so you can make as many colors as you want. Why would that be a thing? Who cares? Actually, let me turn off moderation. Why did I have moderation on? Spam. Yeah, no, don't moderate spam. Screw that. Caps, nope. You can do that as well. Link, you can do that as well. Yeah, you should be able to do everything now. I don't know. I haven't had a need to use moderation yet. If I ever would need, I will just turn it on again, so there's no problem. Everything should be allowed now. Okay, let's go back to what we were doing. So I need a reference to the mine dispenser. So let's go to the top here and add that in below this one. What did I write? Mine dispenser. This is mine dispenser. And with this, we are going to get the node that has the same name of mine dispenser. Let's just go down again. Make sure we are adding it as a child of that node. That should work. Weapons append, yeah, to our weapons list. Just commenting on the top there so I know what everything does, and because these are the same, I don't need to comment these all of them on all of them. That should be fine, and I think we're good to go now. Yes, let us try it out. However, I need to actually add the weapon to the level, so let's open up our level. Let's just duplicate that one. Let's make sure. Hold on. Something is wrong. Yeah, something's wrong. Gotta open this again. Yeah, why? What's wrong with Tool now? What's wrong with you, Tool? Tool keeps breaking, and it usually happens when I make changes. Yeah, this is fine. Oh, okay, I guess I need this inside everyone. Just update weapons. Yeah, sticker should never be null, ever. Ah, damn it. Okay, I guess I'll put it in here. And if that doesn't fix it, I will undo this once again. No, the new GTA. No, this is just a simple vehicle shooter game. Huh, I guess it can be kind of GTA-ish looking. Yeah, but no, these are all about the vehicles and the weapons you can pick up. Well, there are no enemies nearby, so I gotta go here. There we go. Let's change enemy. Okay, cool. What happens if I pick up the same weapon? Ah, okay. It just picks it up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There are two weapons now. Okay, I gotta handle that. Let's see. This is important. I guess it'll be part, yeah, it'll be part of the inventory system. If you already have the weapon, don't add it again. I would love to add bullets. But not on all weapons, only on like the mines and such. I don't have to write that because I'm already doing that now in here. Okay, but this is written it down so I won't forget this. Let's try out the... Ah, here we go, now it rotates, that means the tool is working. So it was because I removed the, or moved the set texture part here. So So the second one will be the missile launcher, and the third one will be the mine dispenser. Huh, cool. Let's try it again. Spy Hunter. Classic game. Let's see. What is Spy Hunter? Vehicle combat. Okay. Interesting. Well, there's certain resemblance. Let's see if there's anything I can learn from this. Re-releases. Major motion. Let me check that one. Game. This one? Interesting. Huh, okay. Oh, wow. That's a horrible HUD. So you have missiles, you have a pistol. I assume the pistol is like the default weapon, because it doesn't have an ammunition count. You have, I guess it's like, I don't know, a plow or a booster or something. You have, I have no idea what that is. The radar, signal, jammer, I don't know. You have soda. You have a smoke screen. And you have a truck, okay. Yeah, no, I'm not making a game like that at all. I mean, the only thing we have in common is that you're using a vehicle to shoot and combat with. That's about it. I don't want to have a major focus on roads. The road you see in the background here, it's just a placeholder, so I could actually see myself moving while I was coding the player controller, which I'm, by the way, going to make a separate tutorial for. Let's pick this up and see if that works. Yes, it does. Let's pick this up. Let's change weapon to the cannon, and that works as well. Change it back. Now I can use missiles. Let's pick up the mine dispenser. Ooh, wow, that's a very beautiful mine dispenser there. It looks almost like a what's the name? What's the name? Missile launcher. Yeah, that's not right. Let's find out what's wrong here. Did I not change the name? Or rather the image. I did, definitely did. So I probably forgot to update that inside the weapon pickup somewhere. No? No, wait, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for mine dispenser ID. Body, player, load weapon. Okay, so it's in there. Let's take a look at the player. If I can find it. There it is. Huh, I just realized that the scripts are all in alphabetical order. Never thought about it. Load weapon. Wait, load weapon? Ah, yeah, the delay, that's fine. To prevent picking up weapons immediately when they drop it. Let's see here. What am I missing? Ah, okay, I see here. Yeah, no, we don't want that. Let's change that to the mine dispenser. I definitely need to make a better way of organizing this, because I'm rewriting out of the same code, and that is not good design. But for now, this will do while I'm making everything work. Then I can focus on improving everything. Okay, let's try it again. And hope for the best. Cross your fingers, cross your toes. Missile, shoot. Yes. Turret, change weapon, shoot. That works. Mines, shoot. Damn it. Okay, so mines is not activated by default when you pick them up. Let's change weapon. Ooh, it works, except the delay between it activating is immediately, so we don't actually see it. So let's fix that. Let's create a delay on the mine before it starts, before this is allowed to run. So you can easily do that. Let's just do a func ready fixed. No, set process. No, not priority. Process. So true. Inside func underscore process. Time or delay plus equals delta. If delay has exceeded or is equal to the activation. Actually, let's use that in capital. Should I hardcode that, or should I? Yeah, hardcode that. When I think about it, I should also do the same. Ask it. Activation delay. Let's create an activation delay. Then we're gonna enable the this part. Can I disable this? I guess I can just create boolean. Yeah, it's gonna hack, but active mine var active by default is false. And then we're gonna disable process because we don't need it anymore. So we don't have to do anything else there. But I need to create these two variables though. So let's just create those. Delay equals 0 var actually const activation time between frames. Yeah. So after 1 second, the total value of delay will be 1. So how long? 2 seconds should be enough. In case you're driving slow or screwing about, should be enough. So when we enable process, as we are created, we append delta on delay. And if delta exceeds our activation delay, which is 2 seconds, then active is now true. And we disable process, so we don't do the work involved. And then inside on body enter, we first check are we active, and then do it like so. Yeah, this should be fine. I could optional make it the opposite and then return if that's not the case. But this should be fine. So let's try it again. Now it should have worked. Delta? No. Fixed process, you can predict how fast it is. With process, it's just going. I believe it's as fast as it can do. It's not. It's not a fixed FPS on the process. I guess it's more of a do your best process, but I don't know. Yeah, it's different. It's not constant. However, fixed process is 60 FPS, I believe, if I remember correctly. Let's try on this. Pick it up. Shoot. Yes. Let's pick up the turret. Shoot. Okay, change first. Shoot. Yeah, it works. And now the dispenser once again. Boop. Oh, I forgot to change. Boop. Ha! We have mines, and there's the delays. I can't add more than So we have 3 mines. 4, 5. Now I shouldn't be able to place more. However, I can for some reason. It should have destroyed itself. I don't know why it haven't. Okay, why isn't it active? Did I forget something? That's weird. Why? That's weird. Well, we're getting errors from Medley, I think. Are we? Oh, they're all faces. Those are just enemies. We're testing. What are those errors we're having here? What is this? Oh, okay, this is just a tool script messing about. Huh. Okay, that was odd. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe I did something silly. Huh. Okay, I have no idea why. Let's see. Let's take a look at the mine. Let's see. Ready. Enable the process to begin with. This is activated because we set the signal. Oh my god! I'm using delta. Okay, that's the mistake. The delta will never ever exceed activation delay. So there we go. That's the mistake. Delta and delay it looks similar. It looks similar. And I'm using glasses, so you know, there's that. So let's try it again. Whew, now it should work. Where's the thumbs up icon? I don't know. Oh jeez. Robot head. Let's pick this up. Shoot. Okay, so oh yeah, of course, when I pick up new weapons, we don't change to it immediately. And that's a good thing. Because you don't want to be interrupted in a combat and then suddenly pick up a weapon and then change weapon to something else. So let's pick up this one and let's now change weapon to the cannon on the top. And now let's change to the mine. Boop. Boop. One more. I guess 2 seconds is a bit too long. Maybe maybe not, I don't know. I think it's fine. Let's drive on this. Boom. It's gone. Boom. Yes, it works. The mine works. However, I believe it's on top of our player right now. I believe it's on top, yeah. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's on top of the player. We don't want that. We do not want that. So let's fix that. How though? That was the issue with bullets. I'm currently placing it on the level itself. I believe. Projectiles. So that's below the player? That's above the player. Below? Above? Where's the player? Well. Okay, so this is on top. Wait, what? Why is this on top? Have I changed the... Yeah, I have. CS1. Okay, that explains it. This is you know what? Maybe I should change the player to 1. And then use the pickups on 2. Because then it will make everything else work. I believe. Yeah, that should work. Let's see. This is also something I'll have to configure and tweak and figure out. Why did I spawn here? Did I spawn? I did spawn on top of it. Let's move there. And let's try it again. Pick up. Pick up mines. Change. Fire. Or rather, you know, place. Whoop-a-doop. I don't think we're... Yeah, now the mines are below us. And that's what we want. Good. That actually worked. I don't know what music this is, but I like it. What is this? Sharks. Let's make mines. I mean the count. The ammunition. That should be on the dispenser itself. Why is my... Ugh, itchy nose. Yeah, wait. Oh, I forgot to decrease this, didn't I? Yeah. Decrease. So let's try it once again. And let's see what we get. Pick up the mine. Place. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh no! Let's see. Yeah, because we didn't format that our current weapon. This we wait. Ah, okay. Because we did this at the same time. So while we were inside here, this disappeared. So I should use call deferred probably. But maybe I should just set. Let me think a little bit. trying to think a little bit of how to do this. I could send a reference by creating a init on the mine dispenser, and then just get the parent and then inform it. Or I could create a signal, which would be a way better of doing this. Probably, maybe, although it would be overkill if we just one-to-one communication, maybe. Or I could just use call deferred, I guess. On which one though? This, would that work? I don't know, let's try it. Oh wait, it's wrong. This one. I don't know how to spell that, to be honest. Shoot. Let's see if that works. We're fine. Did I? Oh, I forgot to shoot. Okay, that doesn't work here. Previously free instance. There was a I don't remember what it was. Current, oh, there it is. Okay, how will I do this? How will I do this? I gotta set this to null, basically. Oof, where did I create this? Or I could just create a parent node, add it directly. And then, yeah, temporary solution. Until I can think of something better. But let's not dwell on this. Mine, where are you? There you are. So here we're gonna have a parent. Actually, no, parent. Set by player. For now. I should probably name this player. Yeah, let's name this player. Let's go to a player again, change that to player. Because technically, the player isn't the parent. The parent is the position 2D. Collision info. There. That'll work better. Let's try it again. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Shoot, let's pick up the mine. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it's gone, and I shot immediately. So I should probably add a delay for that as well. But that's just nitpicking, I guess. Because we don't have... Well, then again, if you have a weapon with a finite number of bullets, you probably wouldn't want to accidentally shoot one. So I gotta think of how to do that. Let's see. Well, actually, that's not too difficult to make. In our player, you can actually add a delay that happens immediately when you change the mine layer. So here, we're gonna set up something, or inform that we want to make a delay. Let's see. Let's see, how will I do this? I guess I can use a delay. Do we have a fixed process here somewhere? I'm pretty sure we do. Maybe I have a fixed process. Let's see. Pickup delay. I guess I should rename this, or can I use the same one? No, well, no, I should separate them. Let's rename this. Replace. Oh, in which case, much older. Change to. Replace all. Let's save, make sure it works. I broke something. Does it really exist? Really? Where? What? What? Undo. Oh. Whoops. Okay, how will I do this then? Ah, damn it. I guess this should be a constant. Current pickup. Current delay. Pickup delay current. Let's make this capital. That sounds horrible. Change. Let's replace this with pickup delay. Replace all. Add a const in front of this. So now the delay can be changed to pick up delay. Should be fine. Replace all. Hit play to make sure it works. Yeah, it works. Good. Oh, that could be a problem. Maybe. So this will be the change weapon delay. Should probably find a better name. Let's make it 1 second. Wait, that's probably too much. 0.5. Okay, let's see if we can get this working here. So underneath here, we're gonna copy this and just do the same. Just copy the names. Okay, if it's less than equal to weapon change delay, we increment it. Let's see, shoot. Okay, let's undo this. We don't need this because that didn't work to begin with. I don't need to do anything with this one, so at the end there, I guess I can just add if weapon change delay is greater than or equal to weapon change delay. A bit too many in one line, I think, but that should work, I hope. Let's see here. Pick up. Shoot. I'm holding down shoot. Actually, let me change weapon to something more rapid. Okay, there we go. 1, 2. Okay, it seems to me immediately. Okay. That's not working. If weapon change delay is greater than. Oh, I forgot to set it to 0. Yeah, we gotta set it to 0 at shooting, of course. Obviously, it's always gonna be greater than equal. Let's try it one more time. But the code is getting more and more unclean. Yes, I'm changing fast and nothing is happening. Every time I change, there's a small delay. So if I keep changing fast while holding the shoot button, I won't. Oh. Ooh. I didn't fix that, did I? Did that fix? Wait, did what? No, that shouldn't happen. God damn it. Deleted. Can I make a check, like if it's not equal to null and it's not deleted, like is there like a not deleted? Delete? Delete? What's that? And it's not queued for deletion? Would that be right? Maybe? I don't know. I don't think it will solve it. Let me change the ammunition count to only 1. Speed up. Okay, that's not working at all. Yeah, this is not wrong. Oh, wait. Think of how I would do this. Yeah, no, this is let me just copy this, because I'm pretty sure someone else had the same problem as I have now. Godot engine, paste. Let's see what we got. There we go. Beecraft node, okay. Here. Ref equals weak ref, get node, which is current weapon. If it's false, then it doesn't exist. So we want it to be true. So if ref, then we do the rest basically. If I understand this correctly. Actually, why did I do this? Just do it like in here, there, make it a little shorter. Let's see. If that solves it. Hello, Eon_S. Welcome to the stream. Oh no, it doesn't work. Damn it. Am I misunderstanding this? Wait, whoa, wait. Yeah, I'm forgetting. Get ref. There. Let's see if that works. Speed up. Let's play something, and yay! I'm holding down the shoot button, so it's keep running, but nothing went wrong. Okay, cool. It's a bit odd way of doing it, though. Personally, I guess having a node marked as deleted, making instead of null, it's a better way of giving you more control of what's going on. Thank you for following Eon_S. Now you too will get informed when I start a stream. I was thinking of more Godot-ish way to set delay on actions, like using a timer. Yeah. Personally, when you already have a process like this, I mean, I could be wrong. I'm not sure. I don't know the facts. But logically, when you think about it, it feels logically, I guess. Okay, that just adding it inside the same process, because you already have the same the work behind creating the delay. And all the work that's really happening is appending it on this variable. This variable does never change, it's gonna be constant. And then we just check it if it's equal and greater than in order to run this. Gas pedal. Braking. Actually, this should be reversing. Brake slash reverse. Yeah, this is. It seems like a mess. If you're firing, current weapon is not null. If weapon's delay is greater than that, and we have a reference to it, it's not gone, then we shoot, and we do this all the time. I guess it's fine for now. Hopefully I'll find a better way of doing it in the future. For now, I just need to get everything to work. Let's take a look at that Trello page. Ammo, done. We got that. So now we are done with mines. I'll put it under testing. And let's fix the missiles. Apparently, it appears on top of the vehicle when you shoot. However, now I just changed the position, the C position of my vehicle. So maybe, wait. Well, that makes it worse, of course. Let's make the bullet go on top then. Let's see. Bullet. Entities, weapons, missile launcher, missile, and there. Let's take a look and see at the position here. There. So let's see. The vehicle is 1. So if I make it 2, it should be on top. That's what we want. Whoop. Let's shoot some missiles, and yeah, there we go. That looks way better. Whoa. Let's add some mines. Whoop. Whoop. Oh yeah, I only had 1. Ooh, let's test it again, because the delay was a bit too short. And also make it more visual than you're dropping weapons, because I didn't realize I lost the mines. So maybe I should make it drop and just fall off or something, or make a click sound, I don't know. But we have to make some, well, make it feel like you're losing something. It's part of game design. So let's see, I'm holding on shoot button, change weapon. Yeah, the delay 0.5 is too small. So let's increase that delay. Player, script. Let's go on top here. Where did I put it? No idea. There it is. Let's try 2 seconds. It may be a bit too much, but we'll see if it feels right or not. So let me shoot with the roof turret here. Why am I shooting so slow right now? Did I change something? Let's find the weapon itself. Maybe I change the script and then it default to well, the default weapons, roof turret, and where's the scene? There it is. But that's weird. It shouldn't be that slow. Oh. Okay, I know why. Am I dumb? Yeah. Why didn't I think of that? Because I'm globally... I mean, not globally, but I'm checking all the special weapons for this. And this, we only want to check it if it's a mine. If that's the case, current weapon shoot. Can I do this inside the weapon then? No, it has to be between each weapon. No, wait, what? This won't be right. This, yeah, okay, okay, haha, it is right. However, this is not supposed to be here. This is supposed to be when we switch weapons. So it should be down here somewhere. If I can find it. There's so many, there we go. So when you change weapon, we're gonna start the delay by setting it to 0. So that was another mistake on my part. And now it should work. Oh jeez, that was weird. have missiles, missiles, missiles. We have mines. Let's change to mines and hold down the shoot button. Boop. Okay, that was too long. Way too long. But now we know it works. So let's find the time. Let's try 1 second. 1 second. I should probably... Ooh. Idea for plugin. That I would love to have myself. Plugin... Controller setup. I know what it means. That's the point with the notes. One second, perhaps. Okay, shoot. Good, good. Let me get the other turret. Let's change to it. There we go. And I did notice the delay when I changed weapon. 1 second, maybe I do a bit too much as well, actually. Yeah, I think it's a bit too much. So maybe it shouldn't be globally when I change weapon manually by pressing the button. And that makes sense. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Okay, but then... Hold on. When I lost the weapon... When I lost this weapon, the dispenser... I set current weapon to null, but that is not enough. Because we also need to inform the weapon array, basically, that allows you to change between weapons. So I'm going to create a function instead of setting anything, really, manually. Let's see, targets. Target? No, that's something else. Wait, why is that on player? There we go. Here. So I'm not gonna set it here when you change weapon. I'm gonna change it when we drop a weapon. Then we enable a delay. So when a weapon has been dropped, we add a delay to prevent accidental fire. So func. Weapon dropped. Should I send something? Should I send anything else? Do I need anything else? I guess I could send the node, the weapon that we have dropped. Yeah. Yeah, that would work. Because then I can just remove that weapon directly. So in our weapons, I'm gonna erase the weapon. And then set current weapon to be previous. Yeah, there we go. Erase, I think. And then the weapon. Because I believe this takes in the object itself that we're looking for inside here. Unlike remove, which takes in an index. Take care, yo. You are yo. You are yo. Thank you for joining. So we're gonna remove the weapon from array. We are going to change to a different weapon. However, if our weapon size is 0, current weapon is going to be null, set to null, in case we had anything. This is just a prevention. So copy that in here. Should I do it in here? I should do it in here actually, because then I only have to do it once. So if you now have this, if this is true, you're gonna set current weapon to null, because we have none. And then, well, return. Else, actually. Prove, actually, yeah, prove weapon. That makes more sense when you're losing weapon. Go to the previous. Now, this should work, maybe. Let's try that. Hopefully. firing the missiles. I'm gonna pick up the mine. I'm gonna change weapon to mine. And I keep shooting missiles. Good, good, good. So I keep shooting. Let's pick up this, change to that. Why am I not shooting? Okay, I'm not shooting because I changed the weapon that doesn't exist probably right now. No? Okay, missile. Okay, erase did not work. Oh! I forgot to actually use the function. I forgot to use the function drop and dropped. So let's make sure to implement that. Let's go to our mine. Where is it though? There. Mine dispenser. So instead of doing this, I'm gonna do this and send myself into it. Because I am the weapon that I'm going to remove myself from. But wait. What if I do this? No, this will do. Yeah, never mind. It should be fine. Let's try it again. Shoot. Mines. Change the mines. And now I shoot the other one immediately. Good. Let's change the turret. Let's change the select weapon. Let's change it again. Change it again. And it seems to be fine. But there seems to be a delay still. Yeah, there's definitely a delay. Also, the bullet appears to be below, so I gotta fix that as well. Yeah, there's a delay when we change weapon manually. We don't want that. The delay is going to happen here. So let's go to our player once again and set up this inside here. So, delay. And then change to a pre-button. And that should fix it. Now, one reason I love Godot is an amazing. It's an amazing engine to prototype things, because it's so easy to set everything up, you know, just immediately without having to plan everything, because it's so visual in the way it's structured. Unlike, well, Unity, Unreal Engine. I'm not saying those are bad. I love those engines as well. I've used them myself. I'm just saying Godot is especially great for prototyping games to do it quickly. So let's pick up the mine and see if I can... Actually, let's pick up the missile first. So, 1, 2. So now I have the missile selected. Let's shoot missiles. Let's change. Boop. Change. Yeah, there we go. The delay was activated there. Thank you for following Kazd82. Okay, everything seems to be working so far. Now I need to change the order of the bullets though. Can I do that manually from script? I mean, I'm pretty sure I can, but how? Let's see here. Got a comment here. It's self-explanatory, but still. Parent. Oh, that's a bad name, isn't it? This is the weapon that shot us. Yeah, us, because there are bullets. Actually, no, me. Because I am the bullet. Think like the bullet. Be the bullet. Moment. I definitely prefer 2 spaces between functions to make it more readable. Hide and cover it next shot. To do, you want me to handle bullets from outside the weapon itself? Yeah, that's definitely true. I agree with myself, with my own comments. So let's see how I do that. Set C, that should work. Set C as relative, but that's a true or false, right? No? Yeah. Set C, that's all I need to do. Cool. So let's go to our generic bullet and set C. So all bullets, well, wait. No, not all of them should be on top. Ooh, how will I do this? relative. Yeah, that's something I'm gonna figure out in detail when I begin redefining everything. Cleaning up, improving the code. The body. The turret is on top of the body, but we want the ball to appear between them. So the ball is on top of the body, but below the turret? Hold on. These bullets are supposed to be below the body, and that's what we wanted from these bullets. Because then it looks like the bullets are coming from within the pipe. However, with this, you want the bullet to be on top of the vehicle. Because now you can see it's below it, and we don't want that. Yeah, you know what? I can just make it on top of the turret and make it spawn far enough away from the turret so it doesn't look like it's on top of that as well. So let me just do that instead. I guess it's one, maybe? Or is it two? It might be two. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely two, because the vehicle is one. There we go. But now it looks like it's kinda coming from the inside the barrel. So let's change that as well. I'm moving this spawn a little bit up. Let's try here and see how it goes. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, that was actually perfect. Perfect. Okay, so we have that. And we lost it. Okay, so now I need to add the visuals for the weapon selection. We got the functionality up and running, it seems to be working fine. And if I now were to set the maximum weapon count to 2, just to make sure. That pickups work and dropping the weapon works. Let me find the player again. Player, where did you go, player? Did I close the player? I probably did. Player, there it is. Which means I'm gonna find the count. Weapon max. There it is. Let's set it to 2, because I know I have 3 weapons to play around with. And they won't disappear as long as I drop them, so let's try that. Missile! Shoot! Unless I actually use the mine, because we only have 1 shot of the mine. Okay, cool, so now I have the missile selected. So if I drive on this, I should drop the missiles. And I have! And I now receive the mines. I'm gonna increase the ammo count on the mines so they don't disappear here while I work on this. Mine dispenser, there it is. Actually, I should probably set it in here, export it. Yeah, let's export that. Let's make it between 0 and 30 to prevent going infinitely high or low. Because using this thing here is it's a nightmare when you haven't specified it. So now I can actually use this. So let's try. Let's set 30. Why not? Why not? Missile, fire away. Okay, mines. Change to mines and shoot. Oh no, I lost my missile, but I still have my mines. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Change. Okay, now it's still working. Good. What if I now go on this? Hold on, wait a moment here. Okay, I have mine selected now. Right with this. What? I knew something was wrong here. Let's see. Am I trying to deconstruct? Okay. I guess I should make that on every weapon then. If that's the case, I should probably... Yeah, hold on. Did I create it here? Yeah, I did. Okay, so I need this. I need to create a class on top of this class again to inherit everything from, to make it work properly. But for now, I'm just gonna manually add this in here. Let's find the dispenser, add this here at the bottom. To do, create a universal weapon script that has this among other features that are absolute in all weapons. That's a long comment. Let's put that below there. Am I looping or something? Next, thank you. So now it should work, but let's fix this, because all I'm gonna do is this. Yeah, that should be fine. I guess I can just deconstruct here. Doesn't really matter. So let's see. Let's try it again. Let's drive over a few nodes. Boxes. Missiles. Boxes. And now I lost the mines because those were what I had selected. I can still change between the weapons. There's no problem with that. Let's try picking up the mines by changing in the missiles. Now I have mines, but I don't have missiles, and the mines are now the current one. Changing to roof turret. I thought, didn't I? No? The delay is just huge. Let's see. So now we're replacing the mines with the missiles. So let's shoot. Keep shooting. Let's change once. Boop. I now have the roof turret. And in case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just testing and making sure it works properly. Changing once again. And now I have the missiles again. So let's go and pick up the mines while having the turret. Actually, no, I want the missiles. Change the missiles in. Now I have mines, but I don't have missiles. I'm changing once. And now I have the roof turret. Good, good, good. Changing one more time. And now I have mines again. Okay, it seems to be working perfectly. There's no bugs that I am able to create, at least. Yeah, there we go. I can change immediately. Good. Good. So that's that. But I need to fix this, among other things. Let's see, did I miss anything? No, I didn't. Good. So we need to create a HUD. I think I'm gonna keep it easy. I'm just gonna make a square. And then display the sticker, I guess. Could be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. So how big is this window? Okay, let's just do this. Let's draw something. Something simple. But again, everything I draw is pretty simple. Let's draw a frame or something. Ooh. Amazing artwork. It gives it personality. There we go. Duplicate that a few times. Actually, no, I didn't like that. This is fine. Now we need a background. We need a some background. Now I guess it should be a bit brighter. Let's turn off that. Turn off that. And here, make it grow a little bit. That's 2 pixels should be enough. Perfect. So I imagine we'll have a weapon on top of this when we have it equipped, something like this. It's not the best, it doesn't look the best either, but it should work. For the change, we just swap this. And then maybe other... Actually, let's find some. See if I can find some examples here. Yeah, no, what? Screw this. Let's keep it simple. Keep it simple. Kiss, kiss. Let's save this. This will be our weapon box. Weapon selection box. Weapon selection box. Okay, that should be enough of that. What else? What time is it? 17:43. Yeah, I can keep going for a while longer. I haven't even been here 2.5 hours yet. That's usually my go-to time when I stream. That's when I get basically tired and need a break. And tomorrow I have some work. Let's see. We'll see. I think I'll get the video up for tomorrow. Although I'm not sure what to make a video of. I have a list that I just pick from if I don't have any ideas of my own. Currently I'm just doing it willy-nilly. It's kind of like, what do I feel like today? And I'm working on a more structured project, and this is one of them. Well, this is more, I guess you can call it beginner to intermediate. Because it expects a certain level of understanding of Godot script. But we'll see how I make it. But now I'm just trying to think of how I will make the HUD. I could add it as a part of the player, and that wouldn't be a problem. The camera already is here, so I guess that should work fine. Yeah, it's a bit messy here though. Let's try it and we'll see what happens here. So let's use a canvas layer, I think it's called. Ooh, what's this? Canvas modulate? What is this? What is this? I don't... Ooh. No. Ooh, I like. That's cool. Huh. I've never seen this null before, but I like it. Huh. That's pretty cool. Basically, it does the job of a shader basically. It's changed. It seems to change the hue to red. Cool. That's neat. I like that. Let's remove that. I don't need it though, I think. Do I need that? No, I don't need that. Unless I want to add some mood or making the game a little colder, I can add some blue to it. A little bit blue. Let's see how it looks like. That's a little too blue, a little less blue. Maybe here. Because this gives the game a more cold feeling. Yeah, this is definitely a little cold feeling, like a cold screen. So if I make it red, orange-ish, it'll be a little warmer, like yellow, bright. Yeah, now it's a bit warmer. Ah, cool. So I can use this for... I'll see. I don't know what I'll use this for. Let's add actually a real canvas layer. There it is actually. Right there. So this will be the player, actually HUD. The player is here. Let's not overdo it. So let's create a new node. Let's make this a node 2D, I guess. This will be the weapon selection box. Yeah, should be fine. Let's add a sprite. I'm not talking about the drink. Let's make sure to add this though in our project somewhere. So this is a part of the player, but should I make it separate though? Like, I guess I should. Well, this isn't a screen by itself, although it could be a screen by itself. I guess I could instance it and create it as a screen. No, it wouldn't be a screen. It's more of a... let's just create a new folder here. If it allows me. Apparently I can't create folders here. Right click and new folder doesn't exist in Godot yet. Okay, let's right click this and we do it manually. Paste it in here, in another folder called assets. I keep going back and forth between naming the folder assets or a resource, or rather res. I can't decide. But whatever I choose, I make sure to stay consistent throughout the project. I guess that's what's most important. So now I can load what I need here. HUD, assets. Wait, I need to make another folder. I want one more layer, because I'm gonna have more parts probably in the HUD. So this will be a weapon selection box. Yeah. Place in here. Clear this. Reload. And there we go. Let's see here. Save this inside HUD, web selection box, and there. That seems fine. Absolutely fine. Did I hear like a beep sound? It's not. Let's move a bit forward in time with the music. Ooh, Zelda, yes. Oh no, dare I watch this? I'll probably get copyright strike. I don't know, we'll see. It's a remix, so it should be okay. It should be okay. Make sure to make this minimum size to prevent him from shrinking, because in Godot the containers and all those layouts system are I don't know, they're weird. I feel it could be better, because it seems like there are a lot of things overriding other things, regardless whether or not you set them or not. But that's just something to work on and improve. So now, when I put anything here, hold on. Ah, I need another container, don't I? Why? Yeah, I need a container. Because this container should be centered. If I can find it, where did it go? Where is it? Yeah, wait, what? Why isn't this centered though? Hold on, how did I do this? No, Okay, let's put there. I don't remember. Weapon. Ah, wait, I used top left. If I try now, maybe it should work. Container. Where are you? Yeah, this is now centered. See, if I make a little size here, I should see it. There it is. Good. Let's add it in there. And now that should be centered as well once I set the position to be 0, 0. Perfect. So if I now load any picture, it should be centered. So let's load something. There we go. Centered. Perfect. Let's clear that to make it empty. And let us now add the script to this container. And I'm going to use should I use signals? why is this here? I mean, this doesn't do anything, the class name. I can't enter anything there. I mean, I haven't thought about it before. Just now, it just hit me. Okay. Great. So what I'm gonna do is, this HUD is going to listen in on the player. And it wants to know when the weapon has been changed. That's the job of this. And when it has done that, it's going to receive the new weapon. And then it's going to set the texture of that weapon using the ID, I believe. Unless I will use the same... I don't know, but that's the idea for now. And that's what I'm going with right now. So we'll see if I can think of a better way underway, or rather while we're doing this. Let's see, if I want to again, I'm gonna fix this though. I gotta fix this. Weapon selection HUD. So this is what I'm working on a little bit now. Let's create a checklist to do. Make a rather placeholder. Close enough. Add on player HUD. Make it work. Yeah. That should be all we need to do, I believe. Okay, if I want to fix the this, I just have to make sure I check if I have it or not in the array. I'm gonna open the player once again. I keep closing the player, and only the player, not the mind dispenser, even though I'm done with it. I accidentally closed the player. I swear, I did not do that on purpose. That was an accident. Let's close the missile, let's close the roof turret, let's close the bullet, let's close... No, let's keep that, we want that. But we want the player as well, so let's get the player. So, load weapon ID. If the timer is fine, we set the delay to 0 again. If I reach max weapon, and then we add weapon. We're not checking if we have it or not. So we want to do that before anything else. So I guess here, well, yeah, before this, because if we already have it, this doesn't matter. If we had ammunition, we would add it on top of it. Well, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it simple, having unlimited bullets, with the exception of mines, because those are kind of special. Because if we overpowered, you just have unlimited mines. You can just drive in circles, add mine. Well, maybe not literally circles, but yeah. Those are the kind of weapons that need a limited or infinite ammunition count. Has? Yeah, has. No, wait, you can't do that, because we're using the ID to open. Let's like iterate then. False. Add ammo, question mark. To do, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. So that should prevent the stacking of weapons when you have the same ones. So I'm gonna duplicate the same weapon a few times here. But if that is the case, we won't be picking up anything if we append ammo. So let's see how that would work in reality. Okay, I can't pick it up. Yeah, that's as expected, because we returned false. But do we want to be able to steal weapons from others, or if you already have it? You know, I don't think we want that. I don't think we want that. I think we're gonna add a finite number of weapons. So when you die, you'll also drop your weapons, which I think will make it interesting, make it more interesting. I think that will work. Yeah. Of course, we won't have that many turrets right next to each other. But the exception of this rule would be bullets. So I guess I should make a respawn time on each of these pickups. So after 1 minute or so, it reappears. And if that is the case, we do want them to disappear. So I'm gonna note that down here. Actually, I'm not completely finished yet. Wow, we are actually... The only major task we have left is implement enemies. That's the most difficult task we have that remains. Everything else is just kind of tweaking and you know, adding a level and with some missions. And that by itself is not a it's not a problem. Yeah. I'm just trying to think a little bit here. Forgive me. Yeah, we need a pickup delay. No, pickup respawn, basically. Let's add it somewhere here. Higher up. I'm trying to keep the less important things on the bottom here. Health bar. I guess that's kind of important. It's kind of defines the game, allowing you to get hurt. Ammo count is not that important. It's more, well, it's less important than adding the levels themselves. We'll see if I'll actually do that. I mean, I have done this on the mines, but this is just a general idea. And video? Video. Oh, okay, these are options for the option screens, okay. Level, where's the level? There. So prototype land, that would be a level, so level 1 would be a card, so it should be here somewhere. This should be a bit higher. Level objectives, yeah, well, we'll see. We have to do levels before we can do that anyway. Let's put that down somewhere. I'm kind of eyeballing this right now, in case you didn't figure that out. Seeing what I can do first and in what order I should do it here. This is very not important at all. Just go down there. Pick a respawn, that's important because that changes how the game plays out. Test having lots of characters. That's important, but it's not that important at the same time. Level 1. We need to make level 2 as well. And I'm gonna copy this inside here. I'm gonna add it here. And the only reason we added 2 levels instead of just 1 for this game test prototype, I guess, is so we can test the level selection and the transition from one level to the next, because we need to implement that, and having 2 levels makes things easier. And the name of this is just, you know, kind of, you know, ideas to have something to draw and work with. Can I add this? Yeah. So here I'm gonna add level 2. Over to card. Drag this right here. When you collide, well, with a wall, you keep your momentum. We want you to, yeah, that should be enough. I understand if I just read this part here. Homing missile, that'll be nice. We'll see. That'll be nice, not a thing that's very important. So key is important. Although I think I kind of did this now. Yeah, I didn't I? I don't know. This is absolutely not important right now. Of course, important. Collision of this is important. Let's put that down. Absolutely not important. Missions are important because those are functionality of each level. So it's definitely above the sound effects and everything else. I guess this is overscale. Let me do that after I implement levels. That I can do at the end. This may be important. We'll see. Depends whether or not. Well, if you only have 3 weapons, this. I guess I should do that because you may. A lot of people may want to know how to do that anyways. And that could be its own video implementing that probably. Let's see. Where did I put it? I hid it somewhere here. There it is. So. Yeah, I guess I should do this before level. That's good. Let's do it after. This is part of the level selection screen, visual paths. Well, that isn't important at all though. Yeah, that's not important. Down you go! Pick a respawn. Okay. Wait. Player character. Enemies there. I have to make tasks for this. I haven't done that. Card and card. Whew. Those are definitely important. So I should actually do that after creating the level. Yeah, we have to need a level before we can do that. So let's get this. Enemies, add it in here. Move this below there somewhere. There may be more tasks regarding the enemies that I will have to, well, add later on. I suspect, because I have no idea where to begin with this, to be honest. I do not believe I can use the built-in path, what's the name? Path follow or path 2D. I mean, maybe I can. I haven't used this before, ever. I don't even know the difference between those. I gotta learn about or experiment with this and see what I can find out. Where is it? Do I draw it somewhere? What's this? What's that do? Oh, it allows me to place it. Path follow. What is it? Where is it? It needs something though. Okay, so I think it needs to be a child of something. But what path? Path 2D maybe? So if I add it underneath here. Path follow? Okay, now it's not showing errors, so it's probably here somewhere. But I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Path follow. Okay, but I'll play around with that. I'm gonna probably do that on my own time instead of doing that live, because I'm probably gonna have to do a lot of reading and a lot of boring stuff. Well, more boring than this, at least. Okay. Let's go back to the task at hand, which is picking up the thing. I did do that though, so I'm gonna check this a bit here. But I do want to improve it a little bit. I don't want to just simply ignore it. I want to pick it up. So someone else will have to wait for it to respawn. But it won't stack now. Weapon. Where did this? I think it was player, right? Yeah, here it is. So I'm just gonna return true. Return true in order to get the weapon to disappear, pretty much. So let's try it again. Make sure. Okay, first time, yeah, we got the weapon. Second time, we didn't get another one, but we removed it, so someone else will have to wait. Okay, cool. We got that done. Let's fix the respawn. Yeah, why not? I'll do it now while I'm still working on the thing. Oh, but in hindsight, this should not be. I think this should be handled by the weapon itself, instead of in the player, and then you just send it to the player and add it to the player. I don't know. I'll figure that later. Pickup, entities, pickups. There it is. What's wrong here? Editor settings, really? Okay, I'm just gonna close this and reopen that. Everything is as it should be. Let's open the player again, and then the pickup, and then everything else I need to work with. I don't like it that everything is open by default when we do this though. Player. Scene, looks at level. If you are not crashing. Okay, I think I have everything I need for now. Weapon pickup. Let's open in here. So we want to respawn, which means I don't want to actually queue free. I don't want to do this. I want to, well, hide. Hide. Start a respawn timer, and it's not. I mean, I guess I can use a timer for this, just to have more example of how you can do things. So let's create a timer. You could do it from code or just add it in here. So respawn timer. Yeah, that seems more logical. So how long should we wait? It will be a, well, it definitely won't be one shot. Or will it be? One shot. Yeah, it's run once and stop. Yeah, that's how it works. That's how we want it to work at least. So we want to set the timeout on this. So when it starts and then it times out, we're gonna respawn. So let's double click that in here on the rip spawn. Okay, that's a typo here. There we go. Let's do it again. Connect. Respawn. The thing is, even if I hide, I need to make sure to turn off the trigger completely. To make sure we don't do this. So I guess I can create an active boolean here. By default, it will be true when you start the game because it's going to be spawned. Unless you want to wait 1 minute until everything spawns. I'm just, you know, whatever. So let's see here. When we do this, we're gonna turn active to false. We are going to hide. We do that by, I guess we can hide the entire node. Yeah, that should work fine. So self dot actually hide. Done. And when we well, we don't want to do that. We do want to start a timer though, so I'm gonna get the reference to that. Let's do it here. That should do it. Dot start. So when we respawn, we're just gonna do the opposite of this. Actually, let's not do that. Let's just do true. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Let's see. Yeah, it should work now. So let's see. How long should we make the respawn timer? I guess while testing, let's make it 5 seconds. Yeah, it should be done. Let's see. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Hopefully it will work as expected. I got my weapon. 3, 4, 5. It works. Pick it up again. And you know, it works as usual. That's pretty neat. I like it. Now there's a pickup delay, so if there are two pickups right next to each other, I won't pick them up immediately. Why am I not picking up that one? Oh, never mind. And some mines. Wait. Oh yeah, they're respawning, of course. And when I pick up new ones, and I'm full, I'm dropping my old one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create basically a boolean, which is going to be like can expire or something. And if can expire is true, I guess we'll create another timer. And this is the reason I prefer to use process, because then I can do it all in one, because we're already going into the process. So now we have to do a lot of you know, work in the background. Now it's easier probably to do it this way by adding the timer. I'm just gonna create a new timer here, and this will be the expire timer. Expire timer. And how long should that be? Well, 1 minute, 30 seconds. It shouldn't be too long. And the main reason you're dropping things is so if you screw up and did a mistake, you can kind of stop, take a U-turn, and pick it up again. So I guess 30 seconds would be 20 seconds? I don't know, 20 seconds. And for testing, I'm gonna put it to 5. Let's turn up the respawn timer to 1 minute now. So one shot through. And let's connect this with the weapon pickup. So when this happens, we are going to queue free. We are gone. We're out of here. This music sounds like Final Fantasy-ish. What is this? It's Pokemon, really? It reminds me of Final Fantasy X or something like that. I don't know. Oh yeah, I have to actually use active. So if active is true, we're gonna do this. Actually, no. If active is false, return. Stop. Just leave. Find somewhere else to be. So that solves that problem. So if we have an expiration, so can expire. By default, you can't expire because you're adding a pickup on the scene usually. But when you're dropping something, pickup can expire is going to be set to true. And if that's the case, well, we're gonna inside ready here. Well, hold on. What's the order of this? Which order will this happen there? Set wrapper. I'll try adding it here for now, and we'll see. If can expire is true, I have to get a node of the expiration timer. Let's see, what time is it? I'm gonna be going for about 10 more minutes before I end for today. And the next stream I expect will be possibly Thursday. But I can't, you know, promise it. But that's basically what I want to do. And that's the plan. The plans can change, which is why I try not to promise anything until I'm in a position to do that. So if I can expire, we're gonna run this timer. We're just gonna start it. And it's gonna handle itself. We don't have to do anything else. And when the timer expires, well, we are going to be going away. But what if someone picks me up while... If I am a... this kind of... No, hold on, that won't happen. Will it? Hold on. If I pick this up... I am then loading the weapon again. I'm hiding. And then I'm starting a respawn timer. And if this happens, I will show up again. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm not gonna respawn. So if expire timer, or rather, can expire is true, I'm just gonna end myself right there. I'm not gonna hide. I'm doing anything else. I should do that on top actually. So right there. We are a leftover weapon. Do not respawn. Just Q free. Yeah, that should solve it. Whew. Let's test this out. It should hopefully work now. Result expire. Then we do this. I just have to make sure to set this when we drop the weapon. So let's go to player. Let's find drop weapon. Weapon drop. There we go. Remove the weapon from array. If we don't have any else weapon, we just set that null. No, that's not right. Where does this run? Where does this run? It runs when you pick up weapon, so let's find that on load weapon. There. Are we replacing? By default, we're not placing it. Replacing is true when we have a maximum number of weapons. So where am I doing this? Here. That's where no wait. This is not the same. Where did I do this? Hold on. I'm loading a weapon. If we already have the weapon, yeah, that's fine. Ah, here we go. Erase the weapon. Drop the weapon pickup, so it's on the weapon itself. Ah, okay. There we go. So here's the pickup instance. So drop weapon should always then, in this case, be a pickup dot can expire to true. Ways on dropped. I'm just writing there, so I, get in the same train of thought next time I read this. As with all comments, for that matter. But I wonder if I have to do this afterwards. I may have to do this at the end here. Let's see. . Okay. Let's pick it up. So this should take 60 seconds. I don't have to worry. I know this works. However, if I now pick up a third weapon, it should drop my missile launcher. And that one should disappear shortly. And it's gone. Good. Let me try over this to make sure nothing is active or hidden. And it's not. The only thing that's active and hidden are the pickups, and that's gonna respawn in about 30 seconds or so. So let's wait. I'd usually edit this part out. Alas, I cannot. Let's read the debugger while waiting. Yeah, I believe all these are all... Ah, here we go. They're back! The last one should appear. There we go. And because I'm already inside it, it won't allow me to pick it up until I leave and re-enter. And I guess that's a good thing, because if you're accidentally on a respawn thing and you didn't realize it, and it respawns and you lose your weapon, you may not want that. So this is a good thing. You know. Cool. Huh. That's neat. But now... Yeah, this works. Okay, good. This seems to be working perfectly. Respawn. Done. Let's continue with the HUD here. And the placeholder. I did do the placeholder, so let's cross that off. Let's open our HUD. Weapon selection box. Open the scene. And let's see what we can do here. When we change a weapon, and I guess that happens every time we pick up a weapon. Right? I don't know, we'll see. Let's just set up a function called... Actually, hold on. I have to connect with the player. And the issue I have right now with this is I'll have to manually type a path to the player to do that. Let's go to the player again. Let's create a signal. A signal, which was today's topic, or actually yesterday's topic. Signal. Notify that weapons has changed. Signal. Weapon changed. That should do it. And when do we want to let people know? So when we load weapons, no. Here, and here. So before returning true, basically. Emit underscore signal string, and let's add the weapon we just replaced. So hold on, wait a moment. I guess that will be the weapon instance, wouldn't it? Yeah, that will be the weapon instance. That's the one we added. That's the weapon we changed, but that's... No, you know what? Let's just add the array instead. That will make things easier. Those are my weapons right now. And then we can, you know, do your thing. And the order will be the same order. Yeah, it should be fine. Do you have any more return true? But that we don't change anything here, so that should be fine. That looks good. So weapon dropped. But that only happens when? No. Weapon drop. You can't drop weapons unless you're picking up a new weapon. What? No, wait. No. That, yeah, you have to emit signal here as well. course, because this happens when you run out of ammunition, and that only happens currently with the mine dispenser. So let's add something at the end here. Yeah, here. Emit signal, update the weapon, or you may not need to do that multiple times. Just do it anyway, in case someone else would know. But now I need to connect this signal here. And the problem is when I'm working with multiple nodes, I can't just double click this and navigate to another scene and you know, add it there. So let me play and take a look at the structure. I think the player should be directly a child of the level itself. If I remember correctly, player, there he is. So I need to connect with this one, which will be root level player. Okay, let's do that. Right here. I wish there was a better way of doing this. It feels weird. I mean, it feels like there could be a possible better way of doing this. Okay, anyway. Let's set up connections so that we get notified whenever weapons has changed. Well, let's get node, the path, root, level, player. And the reason I don't like doing this is because if this ever changes, I will have to go here manually and change this as well. A global keeping all the paths. That would solve this problem. Like a path, the global, like a path dot player. That could work, but I'll think about it. I won't do it now though. It's just an idea for now. So connect, and the signal you want is weapon change. Weapon underscore changed. And we want a we want it to run on self. Let's create a function called on weapon changed, and then we end it right there. So func on weapon changed, which will return a weapons array. How will we do this? Hold on, I don't need all the weapons, I just need the current weapon. And the reason I was thinking I need all the weapons, because I may want to like add something to indicate which current weapon I've selected. Indication, I know how to do here. Haha, I have an idea that will be brilliant. Let's create a I need a circle. Is it like shapes or something? Like a circle? Or shape? Yeah, no. Let's create that in Krita then. I'm gonna use this so I can have size reference. So I don't make it too big or don't make it too small. New layer. Where's the... Oh, okay. Let's try about 32. That's good, that's a good size. And what I'm gonna do with this is, I'm gonna get layer style. I'm just gonna draw a red black thing around it. You know what? Let's not make it black, let's make it the same color as this. Yeah, good. Good. Yeah, that should work. So I'm gonna add another layer here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create an indicator to indicate which slots basically you're on. I'm not going to tell you which weapon it is. I'm just going to tell you relative where you are. And of course, with the human brain being a human brain, you will know which weapons are where. Hopefully, unless you're a reptile or something. I don't know. Okay, that's too much detail. Screw that. Too much detail. Too much. Okay, that doesn't look good. A little brighter. I don't know. Fine, I guess. It's not good, but... See if I now do this. Just gonna take a look and see how it looks like. That works. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Those two. Actually, I'm gonna save the entire thing here. This is gonna save as. Artwork. Save. So I want this little thing here. New. Let's create here. Save once again. Desktop. This will be the weapon indicator. Weapon selection dot. Yeah, that's good thing. Okie dokie. Close everything here. I'm done with this part. Close that. Let's move this into our folder. Assets. And there we go. So the way I'm gonna set this up here, I'm just gonna drag and drop the, a few sprites. I don't need to be accurate about where I put them. Well, you know, since I'm here, make a horizontal box container, put it in there. Unless it doesn't work. Yeah, no, that doesn't work because it's a sprite. I'll manually drag it. So this will be weapon dot 1. Let's make a button 3. Actually, hold on. Do that. This. Load. What time is it? I was supposed to end it about 10 minutes ago, probably. I want to finish this first. Yeah, I can. About half an hour, I guess. Should be fine. There we go. Yeah, this will be fine. I think it'll look kind of good too. Yeah. So my idea is when you first get a weapon, it's gonna be like this. You get the second weapon. Well, I mean, it's gonna be like this, but the one of them will be yellow, and that's the one you have selected. And this will be an indicator to know where you are in your weapon selection. So if you're, so you'll know which weapons you have. Well, not what you have, but you'll know what weapons you have, even though you don't see the weapons. It's kind of weird to explain. You have to try it yourself. Okay, so by default, I guess the first one should be a different color. So let's modulate that to yellow or something. Yeah, yellow is good color. Let's see how it looks like. Or not. I mean, that's fine too. Because I'm doing a script. Okay, let's go back in here and let's see. On weapon change. This will happen the first time we pick up a weapon. So by default, all of these are going to be hidden. I do want the color of this though. Make it perfectly yellow. There we go. Close that. So we're gonna save two colors. So we have color selected equals. Actually, I think this should be a. Well, I don't know. Do we have color like this? Right? I don't remember. Ah, damn it. Okay, red, green. Red, green, blue. That works. So now we have color unselected. And that's gonna be white. So the default. Let's see, on weapon change. I need to know how many weapons I have. So how many weapons do we have? Okay. Weapon count. I'm just gonna do it like so I can visually see it here. Weapons size. Get weapon count. show dots equal to number of weapons. Okay. For I in range of 0 to weapon count, I guess. I'm gonna show them. So get node weapon dot plus string I. Except I'm not gonna start from 0, I'm gonna start from 1. Plus 1. Just print this to make sure. I'll do it later. So get node, and then we're gonna show it. Show node. But this will not work by itself, because this will only trigger when we change weapon, when we have literally changed the weapon, but not when we have swapped the selection. So I guess I'll create another listener for the on weapon, or maybe I can just run this multiple times. It's not the optimal. I'm just gonna get this to work first. If you now have only 2 weapons, and let's say we had 3, it's gonna iterate through and show the visible ones. I guess by default I can just set all of them to be hidden. This is not good at all, but let's get it to work first. Yeah, that's not good at all, because it's gonna hide. Yeah, you know what? Let's create a variable. So I know I can only have 3. Okay. So for each weapon count, plus 1. Let's do it like so. But we're gonna iterate through all of them regardless. But what we want to know is if I is less than, I believe, less than equal weapon count, maybe. Yeah, that should be right. We are going to show it. Or if I is not less than equal, we're gonna hide it. First one, show, hide, or show, hide, depending on how it goes. Let's see, we're starting with 1, we go up to 3, plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, and it stops. Because it won't go to 4. It's 1 and included up to 4, but not included 4. So let's see if this works first. When we change weapon, we update the dots, even though the color is not added probably. But here is the problem. Well, no, actually, it's not a problem. Yeah, it should work. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the ammo count on the mines to make it faster and easier for me to test it. Entities, weapons, mine dispenser, let's open that. Let's set the ammo count to 1. Play once again. Let's see what we get here. Let me pick up this one, I like this one. Let's pick up a mine. And let's get rid of it. Oh wait, I forgot to actually implement the HUD. Hold on. We gotta do that first, apparently. In here, we're gonna instance the weapon selection box. And later on, I can create an instance of the HUD if I want to, but we'll see. Instance. Yeah, I did. HUD, what selection there. So where do you want this to go? Well, I want to go right here. Ready, say connection, and then we wait. Because these are all hidden by default. So if you're lucky, this should work on the first go. Unlucky. Okay. And then we can first null instance. This is, oh, okay, sorry. Get tree, get root, and there we go. Now it should work. I keep saying that, and I keep not happening. Let's take a look at the remote inspector. We have the root, then we have. Oh, did I forget that one? Yeah, I did. Didn't I? Yeah, I did. I forgot the little thing, the squiggly thing, the line, the sleepy line. Oop. Okay, we have this. Let's get the mines. Let's change the mines. Where'd it go? Did I? Oh, I clicked the wrong button. Did I? No. It should work. Why isn't it? Why isn't this showing? It should be visible. This should be visible. Hey, that's weird. HUD. Yeah, the HUD should be all everywhere now, right? Yeah, it's gonna work like that. Let me print something. Okay, it does run, but it's not here. It's not here. Where is it? Where did it go? Level. Player. There it is. So that worked, and this worked because it didn't crash or anything. HUD. It is there, and it's visible, right? Is it visible? Yeah, it's visible. But it's not showing up. Do I not understand how HUDs work anymore? Let's try layer 4 or something. Huh. Let's go through a level and see if they look. Yeah, why isn't it showing here? On the let's try it again. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Okay. Hey, hold on a moment. Why are you not following? Let's try playing it off here and see what happens. Well, nothing is showing up. This is a very bizarre. This is weird. This is new to me. Why? Where are you? Where? What happens if you remove this? Yeah, it's a part of the bear. Apparently, it just it's there. Okay, let's move it out again. Layer 1 again. Scale. Is this not a canvas layer? Yeah, it's a canvas layer. Canvas. Why are all of these showing when I enter canvas? Canvas layer. That should work, but it's not for some reason. I do not understand. What if I add it somewhere else? What if I add this on the level or something? Let's see here. Canvas layer. Yeah, let's just try it. Instance, and let's select the HUD weapon selection box. Okay, now it's down there. Okay, that's good because this is the square we're looking for, I think. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't know it would do that. Huh. Let's pick up something. Boop. Aha! It works. We have 1. And now we have 2. So what happens if I drop or I lose ammo count on the mines? We lose it. That's neat. So now I need to get the levels, the dot selection to work here. The dot in itself may be more difficult than anything else there. Damn it. So I need to figure out what which is selected. So not only do I need to know that this has changed, I need to know which one has changed. So I'm gonna keep this. However, I'm gonna create a separate one. So if I click on weapon selected, and that will be the selected weapon. Weapon. And then I'm gonna use this array, the weapons array. I'm gonna store this reference locally. So our weapons. Well, I believe you only have to do it one time, so because it should keep the same reference even if you change it. So if weapons is null, we're gonna set it. So we have self weapons equals weapons. So on weapon selected, we have to create the signal first. Let me just duplicate that. On weapon selected. Let's create that. And there may be other nodes and HUDs that may want to know about it, which is why I'm creating a signal. Weapon dropped. That weapon drop can only happen if you have used up ammunition. And that means that weapon was selected. So that means not only was weapon changed, we also have a different weapon. So I'm gonna add inside previous and next weapon because we have to do this anyway. Emit signal, weapon selected, and then we add the weapon. I guess I can I, should I, you know what, let's send the index. Nah, let's send the weapon, because there may be other uses for this later. Emit a strong signal. Good. Let's make sure to create that signal on top here. Signal. There we go. Signal, weapon selected. Do it. I'm gonna use the same method as I did here. Let's see. What do I may have to? No, I don't. Try and range 0 to weapons size. If the weapons I is equal to selected weapon, well, that means that's the current selected weapon. We're gonna then use the I to set this to the color. And that will be what, the index, the dot number, I guess. If set dot selected, I may not need to do this, but we'll see. And then we return because we're done. We're done with this. So when we want to select the dot, we have the dot number, so we know which node we want to set the dot as visible. So using the dot number to interact with the node, I want to set the modulate. Modulate, yeah, that's the name. Well, what is the name of it though? If you will hover, that would be nice. No, you're not gonna tell me? Ooh. Godot is just not very friendly today. Do something. Save maybe? Okay, I'm gonna have to guess. Let's try set modulate and then the value, which will be what? The color, which is this. Let's hope it works. But for now, I'm just gonna test this and see if this works. And we have a dot that changes when we change the weapon. And that should be easy enough to figure out. Dot number doesn't exist. Yeah, of course it doesn't, because we want I plus 1. There we go, let's try again. Let's see here. Let's go on a journey to find the weapons. There we go. There we have 1. We have 2, but it's yellow, because we haven't changed yet, so now I'm gonna change right now. Oh no. Let's see, non-existing function. Size. Is it null? Is that the reason? Yeah, it's not there. Oh. Okay, that's my bad. My bad. It's supposed to be this one. Okay, let's try it again. Easy mistake, easy mistake. Let's move the player a bit closer to where I need to pick up here, so I won't have to do this driving all over again. Okay, we have 1. Let's pick up the mine, now the second one. So let's now change weapon. Boop. Okay, let's see. Mine dispenser. Oh, whoops. This is supposed to be weapons. We haven't saved weapons yet, have we? Weapons. Hold on, wait. Will you tell me this is null? Let's see. There's no size in nil. Okay, so weapon is nil. Weapon is null. On weapon selected. So that happens before weapon change. So that's not good. We want this to happen before this. So let's go to the player and take a look here. Weapon change, okay. What happens when we load the weapon? Does we emit anything else here? It doesn't look that way. We certainly don't. Next weapon. If you hadn't opened, this should return anyway. And same with this. So what? Why is it not set? Is this not working? If weapons is null. Print. Let's try now. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Okay. It didn't print anything. How about now? It's still not printing. Why is it not working? I mean, it is working, but this is not true for some reason. Of course, because weapon is never null here, because I'm actually checking this one. So let's change the name of this. Or actually, let's change the name of this. Yeah, let's call this weapon array, so there can be room for no mistakes. That should do it. Okay. Now it should work. Okay, let's do it again. Haha. Change. Okay, I'm changing weapons, but nothing's happening, which is good. Let's try this one. Let's change. It works. Yeah. Okay, so now all I have to do is to get rid of the color on all the other colors. Actually, the better way of doing this would actually be to use this index, and then just add in the dot. Wait, no, that has to remain. But this can be changed to to 1 now. Wait, you know what? Why do I do this 2 times? I'll just do it like in here, I think. Yeah, I'll do it in here. Save some time. We don't need this. If this is the case, that means this is our selected weapon. If this is our selected weapon, make it yellow. Else, well, you know what? It's gonna be a different color. It's gonna be the unselected color. I should probably find a better name. I can't think. Unselected. Not selected. I don't know. So that should work. So let's try it out again. For I. That number doesn't exist now. I want to add I here now. I plus 1, actually. Let's try it again. Pick up weapons and change. One. Change. Okay, that doesn't work. Why? Am I returning? I'm returning, that's why. That was quick and easy to figure out. Okay, last test before we end the stream. Yeah, if this works. Yay, it works! Now I have the first weapon selected, now the second one. I did forget to add the image though, so let's do that. And then we're done. I promise we're done then. Yeah, let's add the third one. Player. Just to make sure it works properly. With maximum count. Where did I add this? Should be on top weapons here. There. This is gonna be a constant. It's never gonna change when we actually implement the game. It's gonna be always 3. So we have this. That's our first one. We have mines. Once we pick it up, there we go. Then we have the missile. So now we're gonna change to what? Let's change to mines. Boop. But now we have a problem. Now the first one is yellow. Okay, damn it. And here I was hoping we would have flawless missiles, roof turret, missiles. Oh no, it is correct. It's just I forgot the mines have only 1 use, so I gotta increase that, which means that it actually worked as intended. It reduced the dots, and it did the weapons are correct. Oh, cool. Let's try 30 here now. Let's do it again. Pick up the weapons, pick up the mines, and the missile. So now I have the turret, and the second one is the mine, and the third one is my missiles. So yeah, it works. That's cool. So now I can quickly change between them and kind of get a feel of which weapon I have selected. But it won't be as good until I actually can see the weapon in the little square there. Little square. That would be nice. Maybe I'm picky. I don't know. So I'm just gonna set the weapon image itself. So I'm gonna open up the weapon script and take a look and see where I do that. Because I did not save the... Wait. Weapon. Yeah, I need to store the image here, I think, to make it easier and easy. let's take a look and see how pickup handles. Pickup. There. How do I do that here? Wait. Yeah, this is bigger. There. Well, I don't want this manually. For that matter, I could avoid this as well if I also store that in the weapon itself. Yeah, that would be better, maybe. But no, I want the weapon image. I don't want this. I don't want a sticker. I want the weapon image inside that little thing here. I guess I'll open up the weapons and take a look. Let's take a look at the roof turret. What do we have here? Okay. Well, if I have the node, I can just get the shard, get the striped texture. Yeah, that should work. Let's do that. So weapon selection box. Weapon selected. So I guess I can do it here. Actually, yeah, it has. Yeah. Yeah, here. This is where I actually make the. Actually, hold on. If I do it only here, when I first get the weapon, I don't think this will trigger. I should just, I don't know, send it one. Let me try here first, and we'll see. So I want to get this little weapon. That's what matters, really. I guess I'll do the same if we only have one weapon. We'll see, we'll see. If we have a select weapon, set the color of the dot. Do the dots, I mean, yellow. Update the weapon image. So get a node, the sprite, and then we're gonna set texture to be something. We need to get the texture first. Let's get the selected weapon. Get node, and the node we want is the sprite, and then we want to get the texture. So now I can just add that in here, and hopefully that should make it work. Let's try it. I still suspect it won't update the first time. Yeah, let's pick up one more weapon because I can't change yet. Let's change. Oop. Oh, okay. We did change, but I added it in the wrong place. Yeah, this works. Ah, cool. That's pretty cool. Actually, that doesn't look too bad, actually, in a way. I don't know, but I'll add it where it should be. Should be inside here, not on that sprite. So sprite slash center container, that one. I'm just gonna get that actually as a node. Weapon texture. Texture. There we go. Amazing. I love this. Already, Var. Yeah, that. That exactly. What did I call this? Weapon texture, I think. Unless I called it weapon texture weapon. I did not. Let's try it again. Pick up two weapons. Ooh, cool. I can actually kind of trigger change. Even though... Ah, that's cool. I like that. Yeah. Huh. I guess the mine symbol is a good find for this. Cool. So we got that done. Surprisingly fast, actually. So wait a moment. If I now remove, if I do this, I suspect the image is going to remain. So how does that work? How did I handle that? I don't know. Let me try it. Let me reduce the size of the the mine dispensers again. Let's take it to 1. And try it again. Come on, pick up. Maybe I should decrease the pickup delay a little bit. It's a bit too big. Okay, so now I have the turret. Now I have the mine, but I'm not gonna use that yet. Missiles. Now I'm going to use that. Let's see here what happens. Boop. Oh, I forgot. I clicked the wrong button. There. So now I have the roof turret, and that is accurate actually. Ah, cool, it works. But I need to make it run the first time we do this. Not here. On here. Let's see. Let me change the track. I don't like this track. It's not bad. I just don't like it. So you are. There we go. Change to a different one. Oh, I need to get more music. It keeps looping, and it's the same once over again. It's not bad. It's just it can get tiring after 3 hours listening to the same music over and over. Notepad. That's the music I'll remove. Son. Okay. So this this works. However, I need to do this again. Selected weapon. Can I just store that? I guess I can signal this. Yeah, I can signal this when we first get the weapons. Because then we have changed weapon, or rather it's selected. So let's do that. That will be easier, way easier. Let's find the signal we need to emit. Should be there. Where should I put it though? If we have max, I guess I can just do a check here. Yeah, I don't want to do this, do I? No, I don't want to do that. Do I? No, that's a waste. That's a waste. If wait, here. If weapon size is now 1. What? If we only have 1, or we are placing, then we set the current weapon to be the next one. But that will, it won't be. Will it be? Yeah, it will be. If we replace weapon, it means we change this. So then we have selected something else, right? Yeah, that should be right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's try it again. And if that's the case, I may not need that elsewhere. Oh yeah, no. No. That's not good. Why is this null? I mean, let's see here. How can this be null? It's right there. No, wait, it's not. Hold on, I see what's wrong. Because this happens after. We need this to happen before this. So let's do it here. Yay! The first weapon is now selected. Let's see if I can get this. Let's chain to that. Into the mine. Hehe. Oh, wait. Was the mine on top? The mine was on top, wasn't it? Could have sworn the mine was on top. Let's try it again. I'm pretty sure I fixed that, didn't I? Why is the mine on top? It should be on top. It should be below. Let's fix that. There's always one more thing. Yeah, that's understandable. Edit. Okay, I guess I can edit here. Can I load? That's good. Weapons, mine dispenser, mine, scene. What order? You should be like what? Okay, I could have sworn yeah, it's 0. How can this possibly be below it? Why are you above it? Let me take a look here. Mine, where are you? You are in the level, yeah, good. Level. You. Oh. Why are you below this? Below the player. While the other ones. Hold on. Wait a moment here. Where did I put the ammunition when I shoot? Let me put this to the side. Where are the bullets? Where are the bullets? Let's pause. So right now I paused the game. I did that functionality a long time ago. But I don't know where the bullets are. Projectiles. Ah, there we go. Okay. So I will make sure to add it in here then, I guess. So this will make the mine become below this. Okay. Okay. Let's do that. I guess we shouldn't change the name to something else though. Am I iterating through this though? No, I'm not. I'm doing all this manually, I hope. Huh, okay. Well, let's try that. And see if that works. Mine. Dispenser. This. I don't want it to be level. Projectiles. Even though it's not really a projectile. Let's try it again. There. It's below now. Okay, good. Now it should be gone. There you go. Okay, so but now I don't have any weapons, and the image is still there. So that's something I have to take into account for. Which means that should be the last thing. That should be the absolute last thing. I'm hoping. I'm actually starting to get a headache. So this should run, right? Yeah, we're definitely getting this reference only once, because so if this is 0, no, wait, I can do it here, I think. Yeah, here. So if all of these are false, meaning there is no range, I guess I can just do it on top here. If weapon size is equal to 0. Well, we're gonna remove the texture. So do this. Texture will be null. If any, when we have no weapons. Set selected weapon. Image. That's what we're doing here, right? Yellow and texture. Image and dot. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. Let's drive over the mines. Let's place the mines in 3, 2, 1, pop. And we still have this. That's not good. Let me think. Let me set the limit to 2 now. To make further testing here. Ah, jeez. Now I can only pick up 2 of them. Look at this. Okay, good. Okay, let's replace the CAD cannon with this one. And that worked. Yeah, it worked. I can only change between these 2. So what if I now want to place this? Whoop. Well, it's gone. That's good. That's what we want. Okay, that's not good. That's not good at all. Now, why? There's a bug somewhere. I need to find it. So let's pick up this. Let's pick up the other one. Okay, that's good. Let's pick up the this one here. Let's pick up the other cannon. Okay, that's good so far. Let's pick up this one. That's fine. Okay, now they change order. definitely getting closer to something though. Oh, no, I'm out of mines. I'm out of everything here. I need to wait for the respawn. Okay. So let's see. Add player on HUD. Add player HUD. Yeah. Make me work. You know. Test. Is it like a thing I can use here? Yeah, here we go. Make it work. What else? Test the dot system bug. There was a bug. I don't know how I did that, but there was a bug. What else? The current selected weapon is, or rather, when we have no more weapons. When we remove our weapon, the last weapon. Nothing is triggered. The same top here. Try it again. All I want to see if it prints after I've removed, or if it triggers after I've got rid of the mines here. So, boop. Okay, yeah, I did. All the weapon change triggered here. Only that. So let's see here. This triggered. So this did not trigger. So I'm gonna remove this on top here. Right, so. Yeah, there we go. Now it should work. At least the texture when we, well, don't have weapons. Okay, that works now. Good, good, good. Now it's just a little issue with this thing. Because it changed, I believe it changed order. And it didn't update the selection when we did. Okay, it works now. I basically have to test it further, because that was a weird, difficult bug to reproduce. I'm gonna add it, I'm gonna leave it this here. So I'm gonna end this now, and thank you all for watching. If there's anyone still here, I don't know. I don't have a list of users. I'm gonna end this now, and I'll probably continue this on Thursday, but no promises. No promises, but that's my plan. That's what I intend to do, unless there's something that, you know, comes up that requires my attention elsewhere. Now the recording of this video will be found on YouTube on a playlist called Livestreams, I believe. And it won't be, the videos, the recordings are not visible, which if you only browse through the videos, you actually have to take a look at the playlists themselves. So take care and goodbye. Difficult bugs. I don't know how difficult those bugs were. There's one bug remaining I need to fix there. So take care everyone, and thanks for joining. Bye bye.